What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today's video is going to be completely random, completely out of the blue. I kind of just been doing some thinking about all the cars that I got: Datsun, BRZ or 86, whatever, RCF, and then the Daily ES. Come to the conclusion that one of them has to go. Which one of them? Stay tuned to find out. So for those of you who have been watching all the videos for years to come, I picked up the Datsun about a year and a half ago, started looking at it, was about to start doing everything, and I decided what I wanted to do was extremely major. I was completely planning on gutting the Datsun, interior, exterior, wide body, engine bay, all of it. So quickly after doing just a quick general maintenance on that, which I still haven't finished completely, still need to get the transmission checked, I put that car on pause. That car is going to be put on pause till I can get all the money, all the parts sent in at once, so I don't have the same issue that I had with the RCF. Building the RCF during COVID was a disaster. Instead of being able to build the car in a couple months, it took about a year and a half to fully finish that build. Even probably longer, more about 2 years, because the wing and the hood barely arrived right before this year's SEMA, and that was about a year and a half. I started the car in about January, maybe April. I really started gutting it and everything. So I don't want to run into that issue again on the Datsun. So that car is waiting till all the funds and all the parts are in place for that. Most of you know, I picked up the 86 BRZ, whatever, as my new daily recently a couple months ago. And that car is also going to undergo full transformation. Got a couple different ideas on here, what it's going to look like, just mix in a couple different body parts. So for this car, I actually wanted to do something completely different. I wasn't going to buy any of those body kits. I was actually going to mold and create my own custom body kit using those ideas and other ones that I've seen as inspiration. But the kit was going to be 100% completely custom, done by me, and it was going to look sick. I already started messing around, doing a little bit of work. I'm not 100% there yet, but would have nailed it down and gotten it down. And it would have been a sick car to take to SEMA this year, but taking a break from SEMA 2023, probably back 2024, hopefully, fingers crossed. So sadly, that's where I'm at with all the builds. BRZ is not getting done anything to it right now because I'm still dailying it. Datsun is on pause until the money and parts are right. And the RCF is kind of just done. I mean, really, I don't see much I can still do to it. If you guys know anything, put it in the comment section below. If I like it, I might consider it. I might do it. I don't see anything left to do with this car, except if I ever wrapped it or anything or gotten different wheels. But sticking true to Rohana, they took a chance on me, and I love the wheels. So staying with Rohana. If it's not Rohana wheels, I'm not getting it. I do have plans to get a custom steering wheel with forged carbon handles and the LCD screen or whatever, LED screen at the top, but that's about $1,200 for this car, so that's gonna have to wait a little bit. So the RCF is just sitting here looking pretty. I just took out the car cover for it out of that box that I had up there, and I'm about to throw it on there because this car barely gets driven unless it's for a show, which now is just sitting here and collecting dust in the garage. So before I tell you guys which car I'm considering on selling, make sure you guys like, subscribe, check out all our previous videos, and go ahead and put it in the comment section which car you guys think I'm selling. You think it's the Datsun, the ES outside, the Daily? Do you think it's the RCF, or do you think it's the 86? Let me know in the comment section below and see if you're right. All right, guys, so like I said, every car that I own, from the RCF to the 86 Datsun, except the ES, has plans to be rebuilt and redone in ways that we can't imagine, and I want to do everything in-house, except if it's beyond my capabilities. I know to send that out and not stress myself out. Like I got the paint matching done for the RCF at my boy Jay here at Distinctive Coach in town. He was able to paint match the matte paint to the car. Took him about 3 weeks, but he got it done. So in regards to that, everything else I do want to do in-house, and it's just not the right time to own this car or to even do what I plan on doing to it. So I am going to have to let it go and come back to it at a later time. I will buy it later and do everything I had planned because I spent all this time planning it out. I'm not going to let all those ideas just go to waste. But like I said, it's going to have to be a different time. All right, guys. So the car that I'm getting rid of is... You guessed wrong. So how many of you guessed the 86? Because that is the car that I'm getting rid of today. I'm on my way to CarMax right now. They already gave me an offer. It's actually a pretty decent offer. I'm surprised. They're paying off everything I owe in the car, so not taking a total loss on it. I've only had the car for about 6 months. I got it back in October, September, and it's about April now. But they're willing to pay it all off, so I'm letting it go. I had to come down to that decision. It's just not the right time for this car right now. And with everything I plan on doing to it, I kind of decided there's no point in gutting a new 86 BRZ. I could just get one salvaged from the auction with all the plans that I have for it. So for now, I'm gonna put this project on hold. The 86 project, I already planned everything I want to do. And if I can get my hands on someone else's car to start practicing on, to mold the kit, I will in the meantime. But this car is just not the right daily car for me right now. As you guys know, when I picked up this car, I said this is supposed to be my current daily car. And honestly, it's kind of breaking my back as a daily car. It's a fun car to drive, and I will do my 6-month review before I get rid of this car. Just a voiceover since I am selling it right now. I'll do a quick 6-month review and give you guys my honest opinion on the car. It's a great car to own, really fun to drive, but as a daily, for me, this thing is breaking my back and making me feel old. So I decided to get rid of it and get something a little bit more comfortable. I've already got my eyes on the car, and I'll post the video on that coming soon. I am picking that car up right after this, so stay tuned for that. All right, guys, I'm here at CarMax. It's time to say goodbye to the 86. Honestly, I haven't even gotten to have my phone with this car. I haven't drifted it, haven't spun it out in the rain, haven't done anything. No mods, just window tint and wrap the roof, and that's it. So this car's in pretty good shape. I mean, 4,000 miles, and I'm already selling it. Someone's gonna get a nice GR86. All right, guys, so the 86 is officially gone, sold, it's done. It's time to take these posters down, all the ideas and everything that I had planned for that car. I will not throw them away because, like I said, this project is still happening, just at a later date, maybe in like another year or so. Once these cars get cheaper and more of them are salvaged and in the auction, I'll buy one that's already torn up instead of tearing up a new one like I was planning on doing right now. But stay tuned, boys. A new car is gonna fill up this spot soon. I'm picking it up this week. It's a downgraded version of what I've wanted as my daily car. It's already souped up with everything needed. I don't have to do anything to it. Just gotta go pick it up and show it to you guys here on the channel. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next time.